KSB and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a quick tip on how to achieve heatless curls without using any additional heat styling tools on your natural hair. So I don't straighten my hair very often, but I like using this tip to prevent any additional heat damage or anything like that once my hair has already been straightened. I don't want to lose any of my curl pattern. So if you want to see just how I do this, please keep watching. So for this quick tip, all you need is two things. You can either use a detangler brush or a comb, and also you'll need some bobby pins. So I want my curls to be loose and have some body to it, so I don't add any additional product to my hair for this. So once you have your hair out, you just take your detangler brush or comb and you go ahead and remove any tangles in your hair and smooth every part of it before we start to use the styling tip. So I like my curls to be big and loose, so I would go ahead and start sectioning my hair, and I will use 4 sections in order to achieve the look that I'm going for. Okay, so after I get my buns or bantu knots in, whatever you would like to call them, I'm going to go ahead and put on my silk stall for the night, and I'll leave these in and I'll be back in the morning and I'll show you guys my results. Hey you guys, so I'm back the next day with my results. I do want to let you all know that the longer you keep these in, the better the results will be. So I do recommend leaving these in overnight to ensure that your curls last longer. And also doing bigger sections will yield bigger curls. The smaller the section, the smaller the curl. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take these down. And I do want to say, make sure that you put your part in the place that you want it before you decide to put the buns in, because the less you tamper with the curl, the better it will be. here are the finished results. Let me know if you guys would like to see more mini tutorials like this. If you decide to try this, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Also, go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification bell to know when I upload new videos.